single mother. I have 3 beautiful children. So, actually, hindi ko alam. I don't know. Actually, kakasabi lang sa akin na pala yung magtatalk for the speaker. So, yung topic na binigay sa akin, since I saw kasi a lot of newcomers, can you raise your hands for the first time? Yeah. So, is it okay for those leaders? I know some of you already heard my story, and let's give way for those people who haven't. Is that okay?
Yes!
Whew! Excited ako kumanta. So, first of all, I would like to thank, can we give a round of applause to our MC Ren? I really don't know how to start or where to start. But first of all, I would like to acknowledge my upline, Miss Effie Galang, our team in Phoenix. And those team elites in the house. And those, if there's any BDs in the house, I would like to, let's give a round of applause for them. Kinakabahan kayo? Hindi ka lang parang it's been a while. I've never been here. So, I don't know how to start because my topic is really far from what I'm going to share right now. What I'm going to share right now is about myself, where I started, and my journey in Relway. I've been in Relway for 8 years already. So, inuugat na po ako sa Relway. Nandito pa rin. So, what is the reasons on why I was in Relway? Why I'm still in Relway right now? Galing po kami we are from other company. It's American company. As a single mother, having 3 children, 5, 6, 7 years old. Can you ever imagine? Wala po akong family na kasama sa bahay. Only kapitbahay lang namin. And also, I pray to God to send the legions of angels to protect my children. So that's it. It's 100% living by faith. And during that time, it's like kahit isang tuka. So yung kakainin namin tomorrow, I have to find a way today. So, ganun ako. Parang during that time, parang yung sa Matthew, yung if the pulse of the air never sow, never reap, but God feeded them. So, ganun ako. I was there. And also, looking for an opportunity and a company. During the time before I came here, I asked to God, I really surrender everything to God. Because I don't know, hindi ko na alam. I don't know what I'm going to do in my life and my children. So, sabi ko, Lord, please lead me to the right way, with the right company, and with the right product, and help me how to do it. And someone invited me many times, kaya lang hindi ako pumupunta. And then, when I invite here, sabi ko sa sarili ko, sayang sana nung pa ako nag-start. Sayang nun pa, sana nakasabay ako sa kanila, sana i-change my life rapidly, kabilis. But it's not too late. Everything happens for a reason and a purpose. So, the main reasons why I'm here is an opportunity, and also, I need money. That's the major reason. So, nung napunta ako dito, I pray a night before, looking for an opportunity, and nung napunta ako dito, hindi ko alam kung ano sinasabi ng speaker. I really don't care about the speaker. Kasi bakit? Yung ulo ko, yung isip ko, lumilipad. Iniisip ko kung ano yung papakain ko sa mga anak ko tomorrow. Kasi I was here. Feeling ko during that time, nabudol ako or na-scam. Yun yung mentality ko that time. Kasi bakit? I cannot even afford single capsule of the product. If the product is 300 to 400 pesos, I cannot afford that. I cannot even afford magpunta dito for transportation. Kaya na-delay ang pag-join ko sa Relway. Kasi bakit? Wala akong masahe. I started not from zero, but from negative. Negative po ako nag-start. But when I heard the speaker that 3-way means right way, that is answered prayer for me. Kasi bakit? That's what I pray for. Pinag-pray ko yun. So, sabi ko, Lord, thank you so much. Bakit you lead me to the right way? The name of the company itself is Right Way. It's 3-way. So when I started the journey, I went home. I'm so excited. Full of energy, determined, alam mo yung parang sobrang excited ka. Pero wala akong pera. Wala akong pera. Paano ako mag-join, Lord? Sabi ko, Lord, you lead me to the right way. The name of the company itself is Right Way. Pero paano yun? Paano ako makaka-business? So, nag-pray ulit ako. Sabi ko, Lord, I need a person. Kailangan ng pera. Hindi naman pwedeng mahulog yung pera, di ba? I need to make a call or someone. I borrowed money. Hindi ko po sinabi mangutang kayo para mag-join kayo dito. Pero kami po kasi we started from that. Nangutang ako for 2 sets para lang maka-join ako. Kasi I'm really confident. Confident ako na binigay sa akin ito ng Diyos. Confident ako nilid ako ng Diyos sa right way, the right company. And then confident ako, yung confident ko talagang highest talaga, to the highest level. So, of course, God provided. Nag-provide ng nagpapautang. Inuutang ako for 2 sets. And then, you know what happened? Bumili ako ng 2 set. Yung 2 set na yun, from the time na binili ko, nilagay ko lang siya sa isang tabi for 2 weeks. And alam niyo po, sobrang yabang ko pa that time. Sabi ko, no sis, I will pay you in 2 weeks. But you know what? For 2 weeks, the product, I never been touched. Kinakausap ko saan kita ibebenta? Alam niyo yun? Every time I make a move, every time, I always ask God, I always pray. Di ba sabi nga, put God first. So I always pray, sabi ko, Lord, I need a person. Paano ko ito ibebenta? And during that time, although I have a health issue, that's not my priority. My priority is to pay. Kailangan magbayad. Dahil hindi ako nakakabayad, I have a hormonal imbalance during that time. And I have a lot of pimples in my face. Even for ano yun, layer of makeup, nakikita pa rin siya. So, dahil nabudol ako ng Riway, 2 weeks, hindi ako makatulog, lalo na nagtagdag yung pimples. So yung 4 layer, hindi na kasya. Sabi ni Tita Epi, ano you should take? Ah, tita, it's a golden capsule, I cannot afford. How can I take that? Paano ko magbabayad? Di ko masahe nga, wala ako, di ba? And then, nag-pray ulit ako. Sabi ko, Lord, binigyan mo ako ng right way. Binigyan mo ako ng tao ng papautang. Now I need a person whom I can sell this product. And hindi na ako babalik sa Riway kasi nabutol ako. Sobrang stress. Sabi ko gano'n. And then, you know what? In just a matter of 15 minutes over the phone, someone asked me to deliver the product. Deliver the product. So parang narilib ako. Ang sabi ko sa sarili ko, pag nabenta ko, hindi na ako babalik sa Riway, ayoko na. Ayoko ng ganitong klaseng stress. And then, but you know what happened? After selling 1 set, hindi ko inuna yung anything. I never do anything else. What I did is, I take the product. Kasi bakit? Be the product of your product. Kasi bakit? Based on my experience, the person who bought from me, asking me, have you tried the product? You know what? I said, no, I don't have any confidence to say yes. I lied if I said yes. But you know what? When I take the product, yun una yung first things ko. I have to be the product of the product. When I take the product, after 4 days, nag-transform talaga. 4 days. Yung pimples ko nawala, yung tulog ko, and everything very smooth. So, after 1 month of taking Portier, may inattended akong birthday, one of the owner ng FEU. So, nagpunta ako doon, sabi niya sa akin, Angel, come here! Sabi sa akin, di ba ka nagaling lang sa ganito, sa ganyan? Sabi ko, yes. Alam mo na po, sabi niya sa akin, nagpa-plastic surgery ka ba? Actually, sobrang pangit ko nun. Parang plastic surgery. Sakit ba? Plastic surgery. Sabi ko, hindi po. And of course, I'm always ready. Meron akong calling card. I'm taking this. So then after that, and then the journey started. Yung sinabi ko, hindi na ako babalik sa Riway, but it's been 8 years, I'm still here. It's a matter of fact, inuugat na po kami dito sa Riway. Bakit? There's no Riway, there's no other platform outside the Riway that can change your life. Like Riway do. Imagine niyo po, this one, alam niyo po ibig sabihin nito? This is a core values. And everything is already here. Kung naghahanap ka ng opportunity, financial, good health, right thinking, family, social, and everything is already here. This is a 6 core values. Which is other people always say, in other company, we want to be number 1, we want to be this and that. But actually, it's not. We've been any other company outside. But actually, ang hirap. Nandito yung friend namin before, nag-start kami, kasama namin, since 2011. But you know what? Nothing changed. Still the same thing. But when you in Riway, if this company is really a total life-changing company, kung hindi po kayo naniniwala, just check to those people that invite sa inyo. Kasi kami po dito, this is a live testimony. I will not lie because a lot of people knows me even before. My long-time friend is already here. Na alam niya, my God, he knows, they know. Pero alam niyo po, the company is already 99% done. What does it mean done? We have a product. We have a platform. We have an office. We have a training. Everything is free. What we need is only 1%. And that is you. That is us. Where can you find a company na everything, alam niyo pa pagkatapos nyo dito, mayroong free dinner? Have you ever known? Have you tried our buffet? Actually, yung iba nakidnap lang, sabihin mag-buffet tayo sa MOA. Siyempre, pag narinig mo, when you say MOA, okay, sige, go. Hindi nila alam dito pala nakidnap, no? So, ganun siya. So, I mean, I am really proud to be part of this company for 8 years. Though, wala pa po akong pakpak, pero I'm really proud. I'm staying with this company as long as, sabi ko nga, doon sa mga nag-invite sa akin, no, if there's better opportunity than Riway, I might think of it. But for now, this company used by God as an instrument to change my life and other people's life. And I be a channel of blessing to other people also. Because by sharing this opportunity, by sharing this product, a lot of people change. Yung mga mamamatay na, nabubuhay pa. Tama?
Yes.
Ano yun, hindi ko, walang negative pa. Walang green. So actually a lot. A lot of people dito, si Tita Epi, magkakasama kami for been how long? I mean, you know, until now, she's alive and kicking. Imagine, nagpapaalam siya sa akin before. You know, I mean, this company, this product, has a highest probability of success. Bakit highest probability of success? Narinig niyo po si Tita Marisa na dating magbobote, dating nagbo-barbecue. Ano na siya ngayon? Sinasabihan siya na may sinaulo. So, ibig sabihin na tayo may sinaulo dito. Diba? So, but look at her right now. It's really changed her life and her family. Even me, my kids. Binabrainwash ko sila. Sabi ko, you know what? There's no better opportunity outside than Riway. Kasi bakit? If you're going, by the way, my professions is kami yung gumagawa ng mga for example, nagtatayo ka ng company, kami yung gumagawa ng mga books. Mga books. Kami yung gumagawa ng survey. Kami yung gumagawa ng projected income for 3 years or 5 years. Kung hanggang kailan mo gusto mong patakbuhin yung company mo. So kami yung gumagawa nun. So me, if ever times comes, I'm trying to do that. You know what? I have no patience. I always back to Riway. Back to Riway. Bakit? Everything is already done. Bakit ko papahirapan yung sarili ko? And then now, right now, speed is the key. Diba? Hindi na po tayo yung masipag, may tiyaga, masipag, something like that. Kailangan masipag ka, matyaga, kailangan natin diskarte ngayon. And especially right now, if you are noticed, the technology right now in the world, it's changing the world. The AI. A lot of people mawawala ng work. We have to be aware of that. Mawawala ng trabaho, mawawala ng ganito, mawawala ng ganyan. And what will happen to other people? Na nagtatrabaho ka sa ganito, sa ganyan, pero become nothing. But you know what? Ang hindi mo mawala, yung leadership. Leadership cannot replace by AI. Leadership, kasi bakit yung AI, sabihin mo ganito, ganyan, tapos program, sino gumawa ng AI? Human. But tayo, how to deal, offline tayo. We have to, you know, we are building relationship with people. Network will be gone, but the relationship will be last. Right? Do you believe?
Yes.
Okay pa po ba mga 1 hour? Sorry, kinakabahan kasi ako eh. Actually, that is the introduction. Are you willing to wait?
Yes.
That's my introduction. To be honest with you, hindi naman po ako kikita kung magjo-join kayo. Kasi hindi naman ako nag-invite sa inyo. What I'm going to share, what I'm trying to say is not bragging, but sharing and inspiring people. Hindi po, no need to sales talk. The product is, and the company is 17 years old already in the market. No need to, it depends on how you deal with it. Kasi because why? Different people na tumatayo dito has a different story. And I hope, I believe that one of this day, your story will be heard. So we can inspire more people. And isa pa, and if you're going to compare our company to other company, meron kaming company before na almost same age. But you know what happened? as the years goes by, people gone, nawawala na yung mga tao. But you know what, in Riway, habang tumatagal ang Riway, lalong dumadami yung tao. Kasi bakit? There must be questions. No, hindi naman tayo nabudol. Pupunta ka ba dito? Ang init-init, ang traffic. Diba? You're wasting your time. But you know what? Sabi ni boss, kung ang ibang company, ang biggest asset niya is malaking building, maraming pera sa bangko, like that. But you know what? Riway, ang biggest asset niya is us, mga tao. Kasi bakit? He invested. If you're going to see the platform, if you're going to see the compensation plan, all out si company. And also, very supportive. No company, I never been experienced any company outside na full support when it comes to events. This is a simple event. But imagine, may free meal kayo after this. Imagine that, it's a buffet. And there's no other company doing that outside. I remember before, merong company mag-o-open, we have to pay 5,000 pesos. Pag may training, we have to pay 3,000 pesos. How can I? Paano ako mag-invite? Samantalang dito sa atin, free. Everything is free. All we have to do is to bring as much as we can. Bring people. Yung mga tao naman po, mga guests, we're not inviting you here because we want to earn from you. But actually, technically speaking, sabi nga, mission followed by commissions. But the first thing first is we are concerned. Concerned about you, concerned about your life, concerned about yung mga tao mo matatouch. Concern, genuine, concern. Ganun, that's how I don't know other people, but actually, that's what we do. So it's not about the quality, it's not about the quantity, it's about the quality of the person because we're building a relationship with the people. That's how the company do. Kaya po, every time may events, sobrang daming tao. And then wala per company dito sa Philippines and other company na gumagawa ng can be held as 60,000 people from different part of the world. Wala po kasi bakit? It's too expensive. Ang company, bakit sila gagastos? No, it's not. That's their savings. But Riway, all out.
Yes.
Recognition, all out. Kung makita niyo po, makaten kayo ng recognition ng Riway, you will be, wow, surprised. Stage pa lang, LED pa lang. Oh my gosh. Samantalang kami nga, yung church nga namin, hindi kayo makabili ng maliit na, I don't know. Tapos, pag nakita ko ang Riway, oh my God, how I wish I could. How I wish. So, alam niyo po, everything happens for a reason. And those people who are here, guests, be grateful dun po sa mga nag-invite sa inyo. Because it's not just about anything, it's about concern. They are concerned about you. At kung sino pa yung family mo, concerned kung may pera ka, wala kang pera, join Riway. Kasi bakit? It's not only yung walang pera na join dito. Pag wala kang pera, mag-join ka. Kasi wala rin naman pera, nag-join kami dito eh. And gusgusin kami. Gusgusin. And alam niyo, damit ko hanggang ngayon nakatago. Kasi bakit? That's where I started. Damit ko noon, 499 pesos yung coat ko. 1 week ko yun. And then yung slacks ko, ganun. I only have one set. One set of clothes. Wala, wash and wear. Sapatos ko noon, may events, pag-angat ko, crocodile na. Alam mo yung hihilain mo lang siya kasi, okay lang, nakadress naman. So, ganun. So, why I say all of this, why people are sharing all of this? Because it's not just for us, but for everyone, especially those people. And we want to hear you, we want to, it's not just blogging. I said, we want to inspire you. We want to change your life to us. How our life changed by this company. And I'm really grateful with our president, Mr. Lim Boon Hong, how he do it. I want to be like him. To give, how to give impact with the people, not only in Singapore, but now, if you can see, we have in Europe, how many? Nung pumasok kami dito, only 6 countries. Pero now, 13, 14, even in Europe, we're trying to conquer. Because why? The company position itself. So it's not just a magic to position like 10 years or 20 years, you will become number 1 in the world. It takes time. It takes time. So all we have to do right now, especially those leaders, I think we are part of the company. We have to protect the company. Because marami tayong kalaban outside. We're trying to destroy our company and trying to, unlock. So, but those people who are guests here, I believe na you heard a lot and enough for you to decide. You want to be one of us? Want to be Mafia? Freeway Mafia? And then you know what? It's not tomorrow. Now is the day.
Yes.
Now is the time. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow becomes too late. Kaya ako, sabi ko, sayang. Sana nandun na rin ako sa level na yun. But, well, anyway, it's not too late. We can work out together. We can do something better. Ang madali po ngayon, everything is already. Because before, hanggang 3 row lang. Minsan 11 lang kami. 11. Imagine mo, 11 lang kami. Laki-laki na itong training room. But ngayon po, everything, testimony. Ang hirap during the time kasi wala kami testimony. We're trying to use the testimony of other people, foreigner. Pero po ngayon, kahit ito, sige nito, sige nito, kahit sino ituro mo dito, they have their personal testimony. Kahit sino po. And mga kaibigan mo, mga katabi mo sa upuan, kausapin nyo. Kasi bakit? Lahat po ng tao dito, naniniwala ako, may kanya-kanya tayong testimony kung bakit tayo nasa Railway. And why still here in the Railway? We have a reason. We have a personal reason. Diba? Kasi we can do other. But why still here in Railway? Meron kaming mga business associate. Mayayaman naman sila. Pero why they still here in Railway? It's not just because of money. They don't need money. They have money. But you know what? The environment and the culture that you cannot find in another company. They enjoying the company. They enjoying each and every person here na yung warm welcome, yung pagiging hospitable ng bawat isa. So that's how. And also, when you come or become part of Freeway, all the negativities will be gone. Kasi bakit? Lahat ng mga usap mo dito, sabi nga ni Ma'am, positive. And kung makikita mo yung mga tao mo dito, yung mga before, 10 years ago, or 7 years, or 8 years ago, if you can see them, mas bata sila ngayon. Mas bata kami ngayon. So imagine nyo, I have 3 children, tapos parang I look like 26. I'm 24. So that's how, really, how our product cannot, you don't have to sell stock or hard sell or pusher. Kasi bakit? The product is speak for itself. That's why you have to be the product of your product. And then, it's really hard to convince people if you're not a part of this company. Wala kang convincing power. Kaya nung uminom po ako, nagkaroon ng superpower. Hindi na ako natutulog. Back and forth na ako ng Cebu, Davao, back and forth. So, that's how powerful. Parang akong si Wonder Woman. Kasi bakit? That's how. If the product works, of course, hindi naman pwedeng maganda lang yung product. How about the income? Sino naghanap dito ng income? Ay, konti lang. Konti lang pala. Bentahan na lang natin. When it comes to, sabi ko nga, when it comes to compensation plan, your income here, if you're going to work it out, you cannot compare with the executive outside. Do you believe?
Yes.
Those leaders believe? Believe it or not, I believe. You cannot really compare. Parang yung isang kembot mo lang, 1 milyon na. Alam mo yun? Isang kembot lang. Samantalang during that time, oh my God, from north to south, south to north. Ano to? 5,000 pesos kulang pa pang toll gate. But dito sa Railway, sa mga hindi pa nag-join, if I dare you, pag-aralan niyo po ang compensation plan kasi doon niyo po makikita how does it work. Paano kumikita ng milyon-milyon. How to be free from debt. How to use this platform to help other people. Kasi super ganda po niya. And then, cannot compare na. Wala ka na i-compare sa iba. Kasi if you want to compare, try others. But I believe you will be back here again. Kasi po, kung hindi po, baka po hanggang ngayon, kuskusin pa rin ako. Kuskusin pa rin ako. Baka yung tuhod ko natin, hanggang ngayon, tuhod ko pa din. But because you know what, I'm not saying this, I'm just sharing. Because I know a lot of people, a lot of new person here. Being a single mother, is it really hard?
Yes.
I'm a single mother, my kids is 5, 6, 7 years old.
That
Can you
time.
ever imagine? So wala akong helper kasi wala naman kami pambayad. Pinuto na namin lahat ng electricity, basta meron may electricity, tubig, at telepono. That's it, yun lang. Other than internet, no. I cannot afford anymore. All I can afford is for our food. Basta everyday nasa labas ako. That's my life. Ang bahay namin tumutulog, parang bahay ng daga. Pag nasa loob ka, nakapayong ka pa din kahit umuulan, nakikita mo yung langit. So, parang nagsisilipan kayo. So, ganun, that's how. how I live. That's how I like my life. And yung tatay ng anak ko is napakabait po. Sobrang bait kahit 5 hindi nag-support. So ganun siya. Ganun siya kabait. And then grateful ako kasi bakit? Hindi siya nag-support. Kasi bakit? Kung nag-support siya, baka wala ako sa Gateway. Baka hindi rin nabago yung buhay ko. I'm grateful sa lahat po ng pinagdaanan ko, every negativity. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos kasi pinadaan ko ng Diyos. Because if I'm not be here. Maybe I'm not strong enough to raise my 3 children. Being alone, I mean, there are parents, sometimes na nag-interview ako, yung mother at saka yung father, executive, tapos nahihirapan sila pag-aralin yung isang anak nila. And then, hindi naman ganun kalaki tuition dun sa school. Pero, hindi ko dinidegrade. Pero, sa akin kasi iniisip ko, napaka-grateful ko. I really thank God for everything that He changed my life and using this way as a action. Kasi po, it's only by the grace of God na napag-aaral ko yung mga anak ko. Hindi ko po binabrag. Pero, by the grace of God, it's only by the grace of God. As a single mother, I have no other source of income, only Riway. Pero po, by the grace of God, ayaw ko sanang sabihin, pero yung ano ko po, yung 2 nasa Mapuway, yung isa nasa Lasal. And this is only source of income. And it's because of Riway. And then, priority ko kasi, investment ko kasi, sabi na, anong investment mo? Any other, sabi ko, my investment is, I have a aeronautics, I have an engineer, I have this, and I have that. And because of this also, I was able to support my 2 niece in college. And because of this, because if I'm not here, I cannot do that. And even also, alam ko po lahat tayo, during pandemic, lahat tayo nakatago, tama? Sa bahay. Sino nasa labas during pandemic? Ako lang. Kasi you know what? March 15, nag-announce si President Duterte na lockdown lahat. Tama? March 15, March 16, ako po nasa labas. March 16 onward. Para tayong nasa martial law, lahat na nadadaanan ko, it's just like Dead City. It's super sad. So, lahat po ng daanan ko, huli. Lahat po ng daanan ko, hinuhuli ako. Kasi bakit? Wala akong permit. I don't have any, travel pass. I don't have quarantine pass. Tinanong ako ng police sa Quezon City, Ma'am, bakit ka lumabas? Sabi po, pag may requirements naman, pwede lumabas. So, anong meron kang ID? So, wala po, sir, driver's license lang. Tapos, natawa siya, naku, sir. Tapos, during that time, pinakikita ko sa kanya yung picture ng mga anak ko na maliit pa. Sabi ko, sir, there's persons who want to be careful. Kasi wala ako ayuda. I don't receive any single penny of ayuda. So, it's good for you, good for me. Parang kinakonsensya ko lang, palayaan na ako, go. So, by the grace of God, effective naman. And then, why I share the pandemic, if not in Riway, I don't know where I am during pandemic. Bakit? Because during pandemic, I was able to travel anywhere, here in Metro Manila. And I was able to give ayuda for, neighborhoods like that. And during the time, God also used other people magpadala sa amin. Hindi ako nagpupunta sa supermarket. Kasi some people use by God as an instrument. May nag-deliver sa amin. Parang supermarket. So, and then, nakakatuwa kasi we know how God works in our life. And one of the good thing is, every day nasa labas ako pero wala akong sakit. Hindi ako nagkasakit, hindi ako nagka-COVID, hindi ako nag-positive. So that's how it really works. And you know how much I'm taking during that time? 10 capsule a day. I'm taking 10 capsule. Bakit? Protection. I want to put a shield in my body. Kasi bakit? I am the only one. I have 3 children. Pag nagkasakit ako, what will happen to them? Pag namatay ako, what will happen to them? I have to take good care of myself. That's why we have to be the product of the product. Kasi kung magpo-promote ka, tapos mukha kang gusgusin, ano sasabihin sa'yo? Are you taking per tier? Pag sinabi mo hindi, how can you convince people? Hindi mo naman kasi kailangan i-sales talk because product is speak for itself. And people see you, yung transformation.
30 minutes na eh.
Alam mo yung
Hindi niya
transformation
napansin.
na dati kang gusgusin, tapos naging, new person ka na. Naging Riway person ka na. Okay?
30.
So actually, humahaba na po yung sorry. Did I, sorry na niya ako sabihin. Pero during pandemic po, nagpagpatayo po kami ng lighthouse. And it's only for the grace of God. And I know that this is too much. Did I share a lot already? And hope you get something. Hope that I was able to inspire you, especially the newcomers.
30.
Kinakabahan ako kanina, akala ko lang
30 minutes.
But sobra-sobra yata na oras na. Nasabi ko, sorry, my apology. Next time ulit, balik po kayo for the next 2.0. So, yun lang po yung sharing ko. Thank you so much and God bless everyone.